Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. Here we discuss all the techniques, video ideas and strategies that we discovered on the YouTube journey. Today we are at 0.056% and we are close to $600 total revenue from the YouTube AdSense program. So this is day 51. These are our expenditures and investments in the Ripple cryptocurrency, which makes our total profit $400.9. These are our investments. We invested in this microphone that we are using right now and in Ripple. We invested in Ripple because this commenter suggested that we should invest some of the revenue in crypto. So we did. This is the top comment section where we share every single day the top comment from the previous days. The top comment is the comment with the most likes on it, logically. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, questions or ideas about our channel, just leave them in the comments, and in the next video we are going to answer that, or if you had an idea we are going to try to implement it. So let's jump into the YouTube studio right now to see how our channel was doing today. So this is the YouTube studio. We have right now 2,163 subscribers, and let's jump into the analytics. In the last 28 days, we received 95.6 thousand views, 1.2 thousand hours watch time, and 355 subscribers. Our estimated revenue in the last 28 days is $310. Let's jump into the real-time analytics to see how our videos were doing today. These are some of the most popular videos in the last 48 hours. Let's see the last 60 minutes, 130 views in the last 60 minutes, which is a good average for us, for our small little channel. So yeah, these are some of the most popular videos right now. Let's jump into the revenue stats to see how our revenue is growing. Yeah, so these are our revenues in the last 28 days. It looks like it's decreasing a little bit. Actually, it doesn't. Just we had a spike here because one of our videos went viral for a few days, and that's why we had this increase in revenue, and we are back to normal. As you can see, in previous days we had around $9 and we still have it at around 10. So let's see our total revenue. As I mentioned to you before, it's $565 and our RPM is $4.13. These are some of the most profitable videos. The Terra coin is the one that I mentioned, the video which went viral for a few days. Let's jump into the reach section to see some of our reach stats. In the last 28 days, we had 422,000 impressions, which is pretty good, and our impression click-through rate is 16%. Which is above average for us. As you can see, we had it around 14% for a good period, and it is increased quite a lot. And our average view duration is quite low, 0.47 minutes, 47 seconds. Let's see the lifetime. Yeah, it's pretty stable. It gets stable after 1,800 videos. Actually, we have even more than that. Oh, wow. This is the first time I see this. We have a remix. Someone remixed our video. Wow. That's a new feature. And this is the first time I'm seeing it. So, yeah. That looks interesting. Okay, we are going to investigate that. Let's see some more stats around our audience. So 5.2% of our audience are kids around 13 and 17 years old. 36% is between 18 and 24. 31% is between 25 and 34. 16% between 35 and 44. And yeah, we have 1.4% above 65. That's interesting. 77% is male. Let's see the countries. It's been long that I've checked this out. So yeah, 18% is United States. The second one is India with 13%, 6.9% Philippines, 5% United Kingdom, and 3% Pakistan. Obviously, no subtitles. Only 0.2% of our watch time comes from subscribers, which is understandable because almost all of our videos are like tutorial videos, so we don't really have many reoccurring viewers. I'm sure if you are watching this video, if someone is watching it, probably this is the first video and it might be the last one that you see, but I hope you come back for more. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you are interested in our journey, just check out this playlist where you can see how we have started this YouTube channel and how it is going right now if you are watching from the future. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
It's been a couple since I last heard ya. I've been looking everywhere for ya. How would you feel when you needed someone to hold on to? They turn their back, ain't no turning back. I suppose you couldn't care anymore. I wasn't really there anymore. Laid out with that night shit, had to jump up in it. Pushed you to the side, thought I'd only take a minute. Could never be a psychic like Cleo. I knew way more than anything. If I be anything, it'd be because of you. Had to hold the vibe just to make it through. I couldn't come alive though I wanted to. Now isn't that a crime? I was all alone, raging battles in my mind. Thought you would be there if I made it back in time, but time just took forever and I couldn't